So it's Corona time and the whole place is on lockdown. Perfect time to be making videos and such, and like I haven't posted in this long while, and really and truly I've been making videos, like 5-6 videos where I never post because I don't currently have something to edit on. But I think I should use this time wisely, be productive, like you know what videos I could do instead of just laying down lazy around. So I'm going to try and edit a video using my tablet. Perfect time to be making videos and such, and like I haven't posted in this long while, and really and truly I've been making videos, like 5-6 videos where I never post because I don't currently have something to edit on. But I think I should use this time wisely, be productive, like you know what videos I could do instead of just laying down lazy around. So I'm going to try and edit a video using my tablet. I apologize in advance if the editing is not the best. People out there, but that no matter. Work. Nope. Which is which? Work. Work. Come on, man. Basket that. Basket. Oh. Ah, shit. Pressure. Check me. Get up. Shit. Miss.
Nights tonight, I get in some shit. Yeah. Deep cover on the incognito tip. Killing motherfuckers if I have to. Filling gaps too. Let your niggas know I'm coming at you. I guess that's part of the game. But I feel for the nigga who think he just gon' come and change things with the swiftness. So get it right with the quickness and let me handle my business. Yo, I'm on a mission and my mission won't stop until I get the nigga maxing at the top. I hope you get his ass before he drop. Kingpin kicking back while his workers slay his rocks. Coming up like a fat rat.
No, you can't
big
shoot.
money, big cars, big bodyguards on his back. So it's difficult
Good one.
to get.
But I got the hooker with somebody who knows how to get in contact with him.
Hit him like this and like that. Let him know that I'm looking for a big fat dope sack. We're in this band, so let's push it. If you wanna handle it tonight, we'll discuss it. On a nigga's time and a nigga's place. Take my strap just in case one of his boys looking out my face. Cause he's a shiny motherfucker. But I give a fuck. Cause I'm going to cover. Yeah, get on style.
Cause it's 187 on an undercover car.
Yeah, and you don't style.
Cause it's 187 on an undercover car.
What? That may I say?
Break with me as I crawl through the hood. Maniac, lunatic, calling Snoop Eastwood. Kicking dust as I bust fuck peace. And the motherfucking fuck police. You already know I give a fuck about a cop. So why in the fuck would you think that it would stop? Block.
Catch us, Steve.
That's what we's about to do. Take your ass on a mission with the boys in blue. Dre,
shit.
Snoop. Yo, I got the feeling. Tonight's the night like Betty Wright. And I'm chillin', killing, feeling, no remorse. Yeah, so let's go straight to the motherfucking street.
Come on, man. Could have missed that.
Oh, what's ammo? You just catch it like fire. Ammo?
Yeah.
You really not smoking, man?
Your man tell me sorry, dog. That means it.
Kind of stuff. Bobby, go ahead, Bobby. Watch him here.
Brother, is that bread bag you want to fling off here, you know, deluxe.
Go see what me I go fling.
Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo, I want to do that. Man, them have a butt, dog. Dog, what I do? What me do? Yo, I run him down, you know.
By 1968, export statistical group of UNNC endorsed the term tourist and suggested
How do I pass so I do damage on the bar? See? Will be.
So it's 9:15. I'm reached Mandeville, and today was one of the most hectic and craziest, busiest days of my life. Like, now I'm rich. In a Mandeville, I'm have to tell you, the place cool, yo. When you girl wear battery then and them cool, yeah. Demon, brother, I tell you that. Mandeville girl had trouble. Battery then and them cool, brother, yo, the place cool, yo. Fred.
We tell them to stop from molest the little baby them. Come in nuts every time them play with them. Next thing this I wanna be the ladies them. Where you the baby and I stay with them. Stop from molest the little. Pick up in nuts every time them play with them. And next thing this I wanna be the. Yo, yeah, hear me charge it. Don't feel bad for the class with opportunity. See if you August or Rima Jungle Spangland. Check.
Go and do that. Police will come to lock you down. Come in, brother. Yeah, dude. Watch out.
Come here now.
No.
Look here now, stop it.
You never make me fear for your camera, boy.
Give me what I have on my head.
Tired.
No, I think you have again.
No, we're not. Take it off. Give me.
LaMaNDi.
Look here.
Stop, LaMaNDi.
Yo, move this up now for your face now.
You like bright.
YouTube, this I go for.
No!
Look here now.
You have to make me get one better sing. Me I see you, me I see you, me I see you.
This is no joke. So, it's Friday morning and we have up early because, you know, I have things to deal with. But the place cool, brother. Like, me have to go foreign. This have to go foreign. Like, brother, I have on a jacket, a shirt, and a shirt under that. Then I have on sweats, a shorts under that. Oh gosh, man, I'm still cold. No, this place, you can't stay so. So, after I'm done with this, it's back to Kingston because I have to get some documents verified here. Then it's back to Kingston to deal with some more documents, and then hopefully we can drop them off today, and then I should be free for a while. I should finish sorting out this. Yeah. But I'm not lie. As cool as the place be, the morning air, nice. Nice, man, I tell you. Oh gosh, man. This is my alma mater, my old primary school. Ferguson Primary School. As in, it's not a lot, it's really simple, but this is where some of the most influential and impactful persons in my life came from. This little school right here. What they always used to call it, the little university tucked away in the bushes. Like this, teachers were just, we were all just a family there, to be honest. Students and teachers, no matter which part you come from in the parish, you're welcomed here. Yeah, putty. There, man. Eh? Yeah, man, yeah, man. Ah. Probably can't see the windmills in the distance. But yeah, if me don't miss nothing about this place, I miss the scenery. Like, especially if me don't like up on my house, I'm gonna go like on the roof, I see the whole over in St. Elizabeth go straight back to the sea. It's crazy. You can see them now. That's crazy. Nice morning exercise, you know. It's crazy. Mm-hmm. Jano.
Anyway, me I take care of you.
Yeah, man, yeah, guidance.
I mean, I wait for long. Sometimes when you go to see it, I know coming.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
So in 2 weeks we go pick up.
Yeah, that's still quick. Yo, it's a good thing I go downstairs, you know, because I'll probably sit down in a bus here, you know, and a quick move with the point.
And that's why, I say, yo, right now, if you go sit down in a bus for 10 hours, then we have to go reach a U-Tech, then reach.
Luckily my cousin did go town today, which quicker, so we can get the deal and get to work. If I can try, I'll hit the highway you know, and try to reach over as soon as possible.
I can do things to
Let's go with the bike and just lean the bike, so. Yeah, that job. So Sanjay saved me the time and the money. To be honest, why may I look that way and it's a one way? Go over this thing. I said no weapons formed against I and I shall prosper. Forget me drop down this. Just take your time, go down. So yeah, the video ends suddenly. Thank you guys for watching the video. The fact that you're seeing this means that I have a way of editing. That means I have no excuse to giving you guys videos. It might be longer, but I mean, the place under lockdowns, I have the time because the place no quarantine, so no excuse. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can show it to you the next video soon. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you liked the video, you can go back and check out the other videos. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.